tell me about yourself and describe your background in bright?
Sure. My name is Nikoman Kirana Dewi. I graduate from SMK Negeri 3 Badung, majoring in culinary arts. During my studies, I learned cooking technique, food preparation, food and beverage service, and food hygiene and safety. I am passionate about the culinary field and eager to continue learning and improving my skill.
How did you hear about this position?
I heard about this position from social media. I became interested about this position matches my skill and interest in the culinary field.
What type of work environment do you prefer?
I prefer a positive, disciplined, and supportive work environment. In the culinary field, teamwork and communication are very important to provide good food and service.
How do you deal with pressure of stressful situation?
I stay calm and focused when working under pressure. I try to manage my tasks properly and work quickly while still paying attention to details, especially during busy hours in the kitchen.
Do you prefer working independently or on a team?
I can work both independently and as part of team. However, I enjoy teamwork because cooperation is very important in the culinary industry.
When you're balancing multi-project work, do you keep yourself organized?
I make a list of tasks based on priority and make sure all work is completed on time. I also keep my work are clean and organized to work more efficiently.
What did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge?
In the last year, I practiced cooking, learned new recipes and technique, and watched culinary learning videos to improve my skill.
What are your salary expectations?
I hope to receive a salary that matches the company standard and job responsibilities. However, I am open to future discussion.
Are you applying for the other jobs?
Yes, I am exploring several other opportunities in the culinary field. However, I am very interested in the position because I want to gain more experience and improve my skill.
Why do you want to work in the culinary field?
I want to work in the culinary field because I enjoy cooking, being creative with food, and making people happy through delicious meals. I also want to continue developing my culinary skill and experience.
What do you know about your restaurant?
I know that your restaurant is known for its good quality food, friendly service, and comfortable atmosphere. That is why I'm interested in becoming part of your team.
Okay, the last. What are your strengths and weakness?
My strengths are that I am disciplined, hardworking, quick to learn, and able to work well in a team. My weakness is that I sometimes focus and much on details, but I am learning to manage my time better and focus on priorities.
Okay. Thank you for coming today, Triana. We appreciate your time and interest in joining our company. We will review your interview result and contact you soon regarding the next process. Have a nice day and thank you, Triana.
Thank you. Okay, number 1. Could you tell me about yourself and describe your background in life?
My name is Nimaden Kadum Hayani. I am graduate of SMK Negeri 3 Badung and I have 9 months of experience in the culinary field. I'm used to working in a fast-paced, improvement, and I am highly passionate about the culinary industry because I love delivering the best service and dishes to customers.
Okay. Number 2. How did you hear about this position?
I found out about this vacancy through social media. Since I have been following this restaurant for a while and I love your concept, I applied immediately when I saw the opening.
Okay. Number 3. What type of work environment do you prefer?
I prefer a work environment that is dynamic, collaborative, and has a clear communication. My 9 months of experience taught me that the culinary industry moves very fast, so a supportive team environment is essential for me to ensure smooth daily operation.
Okay. How do you deal with pressure or stressful situation?
When things get stressful, especially during rush hours, I handle it by staying calm and focusing on the priority at the time. I also make sure to communicate clearly with the kitchen and service team to avoid any misunderstandings.
Okay. Do you prefer working independently or on a team?
I am capable of working independently and taking full responsibility for my station, but I much prefer working in a team. In the restaurant business, providing a great dining experience is always the result of the collective effort.
Okay. When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized?
I always prioritize my tasks based on urgency. In the kitchen, I make sure my mise en place atau preparation is thorough done before the shift start and always keep my workstation clean to maintain a smooth workflow.
Okay. What did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge?
In the last year, besides gaining hands-on experience during my 9 months in the culinary field, I have been actively learning new recipes at home and keeping up with current food trends through social media.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Based on my background as a culinary graduate and my 9 months of experience, my salary expectation is according to the company standards as and regulation. However, I am very open to discussing this further based on the restaurant policy.
Okay. Are you applying for other jobs?
Yes, I have applied to a few other places that match and my skill set. However, this restaurant is my top priorities because your specific concept and reputation align perfect with my career goals and a culinary professional.
Why do you want to work in the culinary field?
To me, culinary is not just about food. It is about creating an experience and bringing happiness to people through flavors. Since my time at SMK Pegri 3 Badung, I feel a great sense of pride when I see customers enjoying a well-prepared meal.
Okay. What do you know about our restaurant?
I know that this restaurant is well known for this beautiful concept. I also know that you highly value the quality of ingredients and have a great reputation among food lovers.
Okay, the last. What are your strengths and weakness?
My strength are my attention to detail, my discipline in the kitchen, and my ability to adapt quickly to new menus and kitchen environments. My weakness is that I something get uncomfortable. It takes pile up. To overcome this, I always make sure to arrive early to prep everything before the kitchen open, keeping my workflow organized.
Okay, thank you for coming, Rika. We appreciate your time and interest in joining our company. We will review your interview result and contact you soon regarding the next process. I have a nice day, Rika.
Okay.